Okay, 98 Lexus ES300, 224,000 miles. Looks pretty straight. New car trade-in. Looks pretty clean, actually. These old ESs, man, they're hard to beat. I know they're nothing but a V6 Camry with leather and wood, but they've just got that touch. This one's really nice. Oh yeah, this is super clean. Wow. Let's do a start up. Oh yeah, this thing purrs like a kitten. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice. Let's look under the hood. This, I believe, is the 3-liter V6. Let's see, we got some good looking, what are those, Douglas? They got good tread on them. Ooh, what a smooth running 3-liter. Man, that is a quiet engine. Very little vibration. Wow, impressive. It's got a cracked windshield. Alright, let's take her for a little ride. This is really good running car. I gotta lower the seat down. The seat is sky high. There we go. Yeah. Shifts good. Drive straight, nice and straight, no problems. The only thing that's concerned me is the air conditioning is cold, but it is on the highest setting and it's not blowing out very hard. So it needs a blower or something. Yeah, I mean, it's ice cold, but it's just coming out like a breath of cold air. So yeah, I think the blower motor's on its way out. But God, what a solid, clean car. 224,000 miles and just drives so good. Temperature's good. Transmission seems to shift well. Let's get us a little 0 to 4. Oh yeah, she's got power. No problems there. What a torquey V6. Got good smooth power. Doesn't put you in the back of your seat or anything, but it'll break loose the front tires. Oh yeah. Very good. Very nice. Let's hear what the stereo sounds like here.
Whose bequest serves as an enduring investment in the future of public
radio. Alright, so the stereo does not light up, but it does work. See if the Sunroof works. Yes, got a working sunroof. All's good there. This might be one to bid on tomorrow. Good, smooth, old Lexus. Hard to beat, hard to beat. All right, 98 Lexus, 224,000. Pretty decent little car. We'll bid on it tomorrow and see what happens. See you with the next one. Peace.
Lexus right here, ES300. What do they heat it? Leather loaded. What are you for it? 1,011. 11. Pound bill 1,100. 7, 8. 7, 8. Roller. 700, 800, 9 half. Down 9. Now half. 9 to half. Now 10. Now half. 10 to half. 11. 11 down half. 11 to half. 12. 12 to 12. 8 to 11 half. 12 to 12 down half. 13, sir. 13. 13. 12.50 sold about here.
Great buy. Take it easy, guys.